This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about casserole dishes, specifically these mini porcelain casserole dishes. And we have the 5-ounce oval that is 4 inches by 2 3/4. But these little dishes are also available in other sizes. There's a 1 ounce and a 7-ounce size that are a square dish. So you have some nice choices between the different sizes and shapes available. The handles on these are not only adorable, but make them easy to carry and maneuver. They're perfect for baking and serving of small portions of dishes, sides, and desserts. So think things like a mini quiche, mac and cheese, or even a creme brulee. These reusable, chip-resistant, high-quality porcelain dishes are really built to be long-lasting, and the white finish goes with any decor or setup, making them that perfect little touch that you've been looking for whatever you want to serve in a small portion, whether that's a main, a side, or just something sweet. They're perfect for use in restaurants and for caterers to use at events, or just if you're looking to add that special touch to dinners or parties at home.